So in this slide number 6, we'll see the details of components of velocity of jet. Now in the earlier two triangles, it was represented by V1 at inlet and V2 at outlet. We are not talking about the other two sides like U and VR. We are talking only about the components of velocity of the jet only, right? Now the notations are the V is the velocity of the jet. Now V is resolved into components VW and VF. VW is horizontally rightwards, VF is perpendicular to that. Now V1 velocity of the jet at inlet, alpha is the angle of the jet with respect to motion of the inlet. Now look at this, we have already seen this. Generally we represent U in this direction, that is direction of motion of the vane. It is clearly written here, direction of motion of the vane. With respect to that, what is the angle made by the jet? That is nothing but alpha. So this is absolute velocity of the jet, alpha is there. Now if I resolve this into a component of horizontal and vertical, this component will be known as VW1, velocity of whirl, and obviously it will be V1 cos alpha, and this component, vertical component, is VF1 or velocity of flow it is called, and then it will be V1 sin alpha. So for inlet velocity triangle you have got VW1 and VF1, and you know the expressions. So VW1 is the velocity of whirl. It is the component of V1 in the direction of motion of the vane, that is in the direction of U. VF1 is velocity of flow. It is the component of V1 in the direction of perpendicular to the motion of the vane, perpendicular to the direction of motion of the vane. Now observe that V1 is equal to VW1 plus VF. Obviously VW1 plus VF1 will become V1, or VW1 becomes V cos alpha, V1 cos alpha, VF1 becomes V1 sin alpha. Exactly in the similar manner, even in outlet velocity triangle, that is V2, the velocity of the jet, with the direction of motion of the vane which is horizontal, the angle is beta. Now a component in this direction will be this way, the magnitude will be V2 cos beta, V2 cos beta, going this way, and it is represented as VW2, velocity of whirl. Perpendicular to that will be velocity of flow. So with this as beta, this is beta, this will be V2 sin beta. So this is VF2. So these are the two main components of velocity of the jet which we'll be often using. Thank you.